If you're dreaming of hitting the open road on a bobber, but your wallet is saying not so fast, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 7 best budget-friendly bobber motorcycles for 2025. These bikes prove you don't need to break the bank to ride with style and attitude. Stick around, because one of these could be your next ride. Number 7. Keyway V302C. This budget-friendly bobber appears to draw its styling from much more expensive motorcycles. With its low-slung stance, chunky tires, matte paint, and minimalist LED lighting, it offers a surprisingly premium visual impact. It genuinely makes people wonder about its price. Powering the Keyway V302C is a 298cc twin engine, which produces 29 horsepower. While it won't win drag races, this engine provides ample power for city riding, back roads, and even short freeway stretches without feeling strained. It is liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox, demonstrating that affordability doesn't mean compromising on features. It also boasts impressive fuel economy, with a claimed average close to 60 miles per gallon. The Keyway V302C is available for around $5,499. If you are seeking a bobber that offers significant style, attitude, and a hint of rebellion without requiring a substantial financial commitment, the Keyway V302C is definitely worth considering for its combination of aesthetics and practicality. Number 6. CF Moto 450 CLC. This motorcycle is a budget-friendly bobber that skillfully blends classic cruiser looks with modern technology. Its design includes a teardrop fuel tank, a round LED headlight, and bar-end mirrors, complemented by a dual-chamber exhaust system with matte ceramic paint and CLC etching. The bike offers a comfortable and relaxed riding position, thanks to its wide, upright handlebars and a leather seat. This ensures both style and comfort during your rides. Underneath its stylish exterior, the 450 CLC is powered by a 449cc parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crankshaft. This engine delivers 40 horsepower and 30 pound-feet of torque, providing a smooth and torquey ride with minimal vibrations, thanks to its double balance shaft. It features a 6-speed transmission with a CFSC slipper clutch and a Gates belt drive system, offering a seamless and low-maintenance riding experience. The CF Moto 450 CLC is priced at about $6,399 in the US. In summary, it presents a compelling combination of classic cruiser styling and modern performance features at an accessible price. With its comfortable ergonomics, advanced technology, and smooth power delivery, it stands as an excellent choice for riders seeking a stylish and budget-friendly bobber motorcycle. Number 5. Benelli 502C. This motorcycle perfectly combines Italian design with an American cruiser attitude, all without the steep price tag typically associated with such a fusion. It gives the impression of belonging in a premium showroom, yet costs significantly less. From its distinctive LED headlamp to its low-slung stance, this bobber embodies the characteristics of a cool street cruiser. Powering the 502C is a 500cc parallel twin engine, shared with Benelli's TRK 502. While not a dragstrip champion, it performs well at highway speeds without feeling overworked. It produces around 47 horsepower and 33 pound-feet of torque, offering plenty of fun without being overwhelming. The 6-speed gearbox is smooth, and the slipper clutch adds a touch of refinement. Weighing just over 500 pounds, it is manageable for new riders, but still maintains a substantial road presence. The Benelli 502C is available for around $6,699. If you've been considering a bobber but want to avoid a major financial commitment or extensive custom work, the Benelli 502C provides an excellent entry into the world of cruiser cool at a price that is much more wallet-friendly. Number 4. Moto Guzzi V9 Bobber. This motorcycle stands out with its matte finishes, chunky tires, and low stance, giving it a sophisticated yet tough look. It maintains a classic bobber silhouette, appearing muscular and undeniably cool. The wide handlebars and low seat height make it easy to handle for riders of all experience levels, and it certainly attracts attention. Powering the V9 Bobber is an 853cc air-cooled Transversev twin engine. This engine delivers 65 horsepower, providing enough torque for enjoyable Sunday rides and daily commutes. The throttle response is smooth, offering a traditional mechanical feel. The shaft drive system contributes to its low maintenance, and it achieves around 45 miles per gallon in fuel economy. The Moto Guzzi 9 bobber starts at around $10,990. This makes it a legitimate bobber-style cruiser that is accessible without a significant financial strain. It offers Italian flair and classic lines, making your daily ride feel like a scene from a movie. It's a stylish and capable choice if you're looking to experience the bobber lifestyle without a high cost. Number 3. Kawasaki Eliminator. Now we have the Kawasaki Eliminator. This motorcycle combines an affordable price with a cool, bobber-inspired design. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to ride in style. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Eliminator doesn't look cheap. It features a low-slung silhouette, blacked-out finishes, and a slimmed-down rear end, channeling classic cruiser vibes without appearing outdated. The low 28-inch seat height allows almost anyone to flat-foot it comfortably, and the upright riding posture ensures comfort whether you're commuting, cruising, or just displaying it. Underneath its stylish exterior is a 451cc parallel twin engine, which is a re-engineered version of the Ninja 400 motor with added displacement. This engine produces around 50 horsepower, which provides surprising performance when you twist the throttle. The 6-speed transmission shifts smoothly, and the slipper clutch makes stop-and-go traffic less taxing on your left hand. Fuel economy is excellent, hovering around 60 miles per gallon, meaning you'll spend less time at the pump and more time riding. The Kawasaki Eliminator is priced starting at approximately $7,299. If you've been searching for a bobber that won't strain your finances, the Eliminator is definitely worth a serious look. It proves that you don't need a large budget to own a stylish and capable motorcycle. Number 2. Royal Enfield Classic 350. This bike is perhaps the most budget-friendly option for achieving a vintage look. It boasts a timeless design with a round headlamp, peanut tank, and a classic British teardrop shape, evoking a retro bobber feel without the premium price tag. Its chrome accents, chunky tires, and upright riding posture make it appear more expensive than it is. The Classic 350 is equipped with a modern 349cc single-cylinder engine, which is air and oil-cooled. This engine produces a modest but reliable 20 horsepower, suitable for city cruising and winding back roads. It features a smooth 5-speed gearbox, fuel injection for dependability, and a distinctive exhaust note. The fuel economy is excellent, often exceeding 70 miles per gallon. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is priced at approximately $4,899. This motorcycle delivers bobber aesthetics, reliable engineering, and iconic style for under $5,000. It's not built for speed, but it excels at making every ride enjoyable, emphasizing the journey over the destination. Number 1. Honda Rebel 500. This bike embodies a minimalist aesthetic with its low-slung design, chunky tires, and blacked-out components, exuding a cool and timeless attitude. It's like a classic vintage diner sign, retro, but perpetually stylish. It features LED lighting, a digital display, and a comfortable low seat height, making it suitable for riders of various heights. Powering the Rebel 500 is a 471cc parallel twin engine. This engine delivers 45 horsepower and 31 pound-feet of torque, making it nimble in urban environments and relaxed on highways. It's also very fuel efficient, achieving around 67 miles per gallon. The clutch is light, the gearbox is smooth, and the overall ride is approachable, yet engaging. Honda's reputation for reliability means you can expect minimal maintenance and fewer trips to the service center. The Honda Rebel 500 has a starting MSRP of approximately $6,999. If you are searching for a bobber that doesn't require a significant investment, the Rebel 500 checks all the boxes for style, accessibility, and dependability without impacting your credit score. It's an excellent entry point into cruiser culture. That wraps up our look at the best budget-friendly bobber motorcycles for 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect bike that combines classic style with an affordable price tag. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content. Happy riding!